Guys, my name is Ching, and today I'm going to introduce the angular quick-choke carabiner with the deflection fin. So for its definition, this invention is a safety carabiner intended to allow the climber to move around in all positions on the climbing without fear that the rope will exert pressure on the gate and accidentally open the gate and allow the rope to escape. The deflection fin on the outside of the nose forces the rope away from the gate. So this is the picture about how this carabiner works. As you can see, the rope is moving over the nose of the deflection fin carabiner and being forced outside of the gate to move over it. And then the climber's rope safely inside the carabiner and be prepared for any cases that users may put pressure on it or just fall unexpectedly. And I think this product's market size is pretty huge because it faces to every climber in worldwide. As the report shows, there are 44.5 million people are climbing regularly. And based on the liability waivers, it estimates that between 1,000 and 1,500 people are trying climbing for the first time every single day in the United States. And there is also a federation called IFSC, the International Federation of the Sport Climbing, has 92 member federations of 5 continents. The South and North America have 16 member federations. So because the sport climbing is booming, so I think this product will become very popular, and many users and potential customers will purchase it. So here are some measurable metrics for this product. This is total mass, includes the frame weight and the wire gate weight. Dimensions includes gate opening and long, short arm length. And the most important part is the strength, the weight tolerance. It includes the gate open stress, the major axis stress, and the minor axis stress. And last, the durability. It is about how long this product can last. Here's a summary about the intellectual property. This product definitely has a comparative advantage because this carabiner has a strong focus on the safety, stress, and weight of the equipment. This invention relates to an improved carabiner system by adding a deflection fin to the nose of the carabiner. Compared to another regular carabiner, the design of deflection fin greatly guarantees the safety of each user. So to the deflection fin itself, I think it is a very good opportunity for the intellectual property to be created. Moreover, this product also has a strong weight tolerance and a very lightweight. So if you don't understand it, I hope these two pictures can help you understand it. As you can see, the left side is a regular, is a very typical carabiner. As you can see, it has a very typical D shape. But on the right side is a deflection fin carabiner. As you can see, the short arm here and the nose here is bigger than the left one. So this is the obvious difference from the regular carabiner. So here is the market needs. The deflection fin carabiner perfectly meets the most important things that the market needs: safety and freedom of the climbing. So the meaning of the freedom climbing actually means the climbers or the workers can move freely to any directions by strong proof of the safety. So they can do something they haven't tried before when they are climbing, but at the same time they will also be protected by this carabiner. So here is the product specification. I just put two things out here. The special D shape and the deflection fin is actually the two things which makes this carabiner different from the regular one. Here is a wire gate. The top side is the short arm, and the bottom side is the long arm. And this one is a spine. This is the nose. So in my opinion, I think this product has these ideal values. The first one is the total mass, and I suggest this product will be in the 55 grams because I hope just it's no more than 60 grams because I want to make it lightweight and easy to be carried. The next one is gate opening. The larger gate opening means the carabiner is better, so I want to make it 24 millimeters. The stress, the major axis stress, I want to make it 25 kilonewton. The gate opening stress, I want to make 8 kilonewton, and the minor axis stress, I want to make 10 kilonewtons. So for the durability, I want to make sure that, and I hope that it is lifetime approved. So every customer, every user who purchased our product can use this carabiner for the whole life, I hope. About the pricing, I want to make this carabiner $25 because this price is actually based on the average price of the regular carabiners in the current market, but this price will be a little bit higher. But I think this product is very professional, and it also has a very high quality, and its safety has also been proved. So I think to pay $25 for a carabiner, for a good carabiner, I think it's worth. So for the market test strategy, firstly I want to do some survey about some possible users to ask them what do they think about this product and collect them. And next I want to make some personas and find out some target audience and to test this product. So the tests will focus on the weight tolerance and the practical use of the deflection fin. I want to make sure that the deflection fin will be useful. And next one is receive these feedbacks and the test results and do the report. Okay, so that's all for my presentation. So thank you for watching.